Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how and what data you can upload on TranZact through Excel. So through Excel we have provided few of the data set which you can upload, like the very first is your bulk item, then after your buyer and supplier and your opening balance. You can very well use our Tally integration feature as well to extract the data from Tally and then after can upload it on Transact. So let me show you how you can upload your inventory, buyer, supplier and opening balance. So first of all, you need to go in inventory module. Here, after getting the entire file in Excel, you can upload it on Transact. You need to go in item master. Here you will see an option of bulk action. Click on this. Now once you will click on bulk action, here is an option of add multiple item. So once you will click on add multiple item, you can create your own Excel file and then after you can upload it here, and accordingly after selecting the header you can upload the data. You can use our template as well. For that you need to download our Excel template and accordingly you can create a file and upload your item master. Now coming to the second, we do have edit item, delete item bulk feature as well. After that you can easily add your buyer and supplier through Excel file. So you need to go in buyer and supplier module. Here on your right hand side very top you will get add buyer and supplier. Click on this and you will get upload multiple companies. As you might have checked that we have provided a download from Tally button as well, that helps you in downloading the data from Tally and then after uploading it on Transact. Now the last is your opening balance. You need to go in payments and then after you need to click on other action. Here you will see opening balance option. So you need to download the template for buyer and supplier and then after filling the details you can upload it and opening balance will get updated. Documents are not available in the upload format. You need to manually go ahead and create document on Transact. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to what data you can upload on Transact through Excel. Have a good day ahead.